Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a cleaning haul for you guys. I ordered from the Grove Collaborative. If you guys haven't been watching cleaning videos, you probably wouldn't know about them. But if you are obsessed with cleaning videos like I am, they're kind of talked about all over the place. And I actually first heard of them from Erica Lee, but I also have seen a lot of videos with Love Meg, and I used her little link to get some free gifts, which I will show you guys when we get into it. But if you guys like cleaning videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see a cleaning routine, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be doing more lifestyle videos on this channel, and I'm really excited and ready to share the content with you guys. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss anything, and click the little bell next to the subscribe button so that way you'll be notified anytime that I upload, so that way you won't miss any uploads, because sometimes YouTube's weird and it doesn't show everything. I don't know. So let's just get into this. Not everything I got is from Grove, so I'm actually going to show you the two things that I got from Target, but then everything else I got from Grove. Okay, so the first thing that I got from Target is this Mrs. Meyer's room spray. This is in the scent Honeysuckle. This stuff is amazing. I just want to spray my whole apartment with this, so yeah. It's weird. But yeah, I love this, and I just picked this up at Target. I would have ordered it on the Grove Collaborative, but I had not placed an order yet, and I wasn't sure if I was going to, so I just went ahead and picked this up because I wanted to try it out. The other thing, if you guys watched my old cleaning video or like the cleaning products that I'm loving, I'll have those linked down below. But you guys would know that I absolutely love this Method all-purpose cleaner in the scent Honeycrisp Apple, and I ran out, and so I had to get a new bottle, and so I got that at Target. Alright, now we can move into the stuff I got from the Grove Collaborative. I believe I got several things for free for using Meg's code, but also I think they have a deal where if you like spend so much money, you get free product or something like that. I think it's like if you spend $20, you get stuff for free. It's really cool. I'll have my little link down below where you can actually get a free, I believe it was a 5-piece set, and it had Mrs. Meyer stuff in it. So if you guys want to check out the Grove Collaborative, I'm going to leave their link in the description box. So my first thoughts on the website is that it's really easy to use. You can cancel at any time. You can change your shipment date because it's kind of like a monthly subscription type thing when you sign up. So you can actually change it. If you don't need anything that month, you can push it to the next month and you won't get charged. And you only get charged for the products that you purchase. It's not like a monthly fee or anything. I believe it's like a $20 payment for the whole year, but you get free shipping, you get tons of free product. So it's definitely, in my opinion, worth it because you're gonna need cleaning products. And they not only have cleaning products, they have like storage container stuff. They have like, you know, paper towels, toilet paper. They have makeup. They have like a bunch of stuff. So definitely go check it out. Okay, so I got this stone tray. I'll take it out for you guys. I got this for free. It's just this really nice piece that you can keep on the kitchen sink, or I've seen some people use it in the bathroom, and you can like put your dish soap and your soap, hand soap, and whatever on here. So I think that's really cool, really nice. I have not decided where I'm going to put this because it really, the way my sink is in the kitchen, it's not going to like sit behind it, so it'd have to like sit off to the side and look weird. So I might just use this in the bathroom. All right, the next thing I got are these walnut scrubbers. I've heard a lot of people talk about them and say really good things. Apparently they don't get that weird mildewy smell that normal sponges do, and I like that because that's one thing. Sponges gross me out so much because they start to smell after like 2 uses, and it's just ugh. So I'm really excited to try these out and see if they don't have that weird smell. The next thing I got is this clear spray bottle. This is a 16-ounce spray bottle. Let me open it to show you guys. Oh my gosh. I should have opened it before I got on camera. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a glass bottle, and it has this little rubber protective thing on it. So you can basically put any cleaner that you want in here to use. And it also came with this glass cleaner in orange and rosemary. It's like a concentrate, so you put it in and then you put water with it, And so you could use these two things together. I think, all right, I think that's it. It just comes with this one thing, or at least mine did. So that's interesting. I might have to try this. I actually got a glass cleaner, so I don't know. We'll see. The next thing I got for free, it was kind of like a set. You get the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, dish soap, and the all-purpose spray. And you can choose from all the different scents. I chose honeysuckle, so I got the hand soap in honeysuckle. Then I got the all-purpose spray in honeysuckle. And then I also got the dish soap in honeysuckle. So I'm really excited. This smells really good. This is probably my favorite scent that I've smelled from Mrs. Meyer's, because I go to Target and I smell them, but this was probably my favorite out of all of them that I've smelled so far. All right, now moving on to the stuff that I actually purchased with my own money. Also, I don't think I need to say this, but I'm not sponsored by the Grove Collaborative. I'm just talking about them because I'm so excited about my new stuff. So the first thing that I wanted to try out, I'm a big Method fan, so you're going to see a lot of Method products, but I wanted to try out the toilet cleaner, the Anti-Bac toilet cleaner. This is in spearmint. It smells really good. Next up is this Real Simple Clean Stain and Odor Treatment. This is in fresh citrus. I wanted to get this because I do have a dog, and she doesn't really go to the bathroom in the apartment, thankfully. She goes outside. She's potty trained. But she does this weird thing, guys, you're gonna laugh. So her wet dog food, I'll put it in her bowl, and she will take it out. It's like one of those like little Caesar like things, you know. She'll take the big chunk out and try to eat it on the carpet, and it'll leave food stains. Yeah, gotta love her, right? Gotta love her. But so I wanted to pick this up to try it out and see if that would help with the stains, because I've been cleaning them up with another product, but I wanted something more like natural and that's, you know, not chemically, like chemical-y, that's not even a word, but you know what I mean. All right, next thing that I got are these little microfiber all-purpose cloths. I have seen people use these and I never thought about it, but I always use paper towels, and that's just such a waste when I could get these cloths, and I never thought about it, which is so funny to me because my parents actually own a windshield repair business. And they use these when they clean off the windshields before and after repairing it. And I never thought that I should use it. Sorry, Mom and Dad, if you're watching this. Like, I never thought of it. So anyway, I got this set of 3. And I'm really excited because now I won't have to waste paper towels. So the next thing that I got, I actually opened to smell. This is the lavender scent of the Mrs. Meyer's dishwashing pack. I do not like this smell that much, to be honest. It's okay, but I'm just not a huge fan. But I wanted to try it out. I'm really excited to use these and try them out, but I definitely think I would prefer the other scent, which is the lemon verbena, I think is how you say it. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the lavender scent, but I am excited to try these out in my dishwasher. Alright, I decided I wanted to try the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner, and this is in mint. I've heard mixed reviews about this. Some people swear by it, love it, and some people say it's streaky. So I am excited to try it out and see what I think about it. But obviously, if this one doesn't work, I have the one that the Grove sent me with the little glass bottle, so I can try that one as well. But I am excited. I love the smell of this. I love mint. And the thing I love about using all natural, like non-toxic products is that you get like a really fresh, nice smell, but there's not that chemical smell to it. You know what I mean? Like, you guys understand what I'm saying when I say like the chemical smell? It's not attractive. It actually gives me a headache. All right, and the last 2 things are for laundry. I cannot use certain laundry detergents because of like the weird stuff they put in laundry detergent. So I typically have to get something that has like no smell to it. And I don't like that because I like my clothes to smell, like have some sort of scent to them, like a nice fresh scent. I don't like just not having a scent. And so I wanted to try the Method laundry detergent packs. This is in Beach Sage. I smelled this and it wasn't like my favorite thing. I actually smelled the mango, I don't remember the scent, but there's another scent. It's orange. It's something about mango, I think. And I liked that one more than I liked this one, but I had already ordered this because I had heard good things about this scent. So maybe once it like washes your clothes, it'll smell good. I don't know. But I got this to try out. I'm really excited because it's not going to have all those weird things in there that I'm allergic to in normal laundry detergent. So, and it actually will smell like something. And then the last product that I got from the Grove Collaborative are the Method dryer sheets, and these are in Beach Sage. I actually don't really like dryer sheets, and again, it's one of those things I have to use like a special dryer sheet because they put gross crap in all the cleaning products and my skin reacts to it. So I am excited to try this and to see if like my skin is okay with this. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try it out. But I got the Beach Sage because it matched the laundry detergent that I got. So, and that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like cleaning products or you want to see a cleaning routine with these products. I think that might be my next video. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided. But I'm definitely going to be doing a cleaning routine video in my new apartment with my new products. I'm really excited. So make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss that, and hit the notification bell so that way you get notified right when I upload. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.